In this tutorial video edition, we will sharing with you how to speed up or slow down the HTML video. As you know, sometime the video playback on website such as YouTube, Facebook and Vimeo can be a little too fast for you. Or maybe the video is too boring and you'd like to speed it up a little because you probably need to watch a small section of the video. In this tutorial, we'll be sharing with you how you can slow down or speed up video playback in YouTube, including other Flash video websites. Let's check it out. Open Chrome and go to Chrome Web Store. Install this extension, Video Speed Controller. Click Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. You can check the link in the description of this video. Let's test it. Play a YouTube video and see how it works. Once the extension is installed, simply navigate to any page that offers HTML5 video and you'll see a speed indicator in top left corner of the video player. Click plus sign to speed up video. To slow down, just click minus sign.
They've only lost one of the last 11 games.
For you can set the speed up or slow down setting by multiple times at once, such as twice, 3 times, 4 times, and so on.
Switzerland so close. The rest of that, and a chance here for Shaqiri, and he's on the post.
Or, even better, use your keyboard. See more in the description of this video. Just press D key to speed up video, and press S key to slow down the video. If you prefer other shortcuts, want to change the increment value, or want the player to remember your playback speed in the future, head into the settings page and customize it to your heart's content. To do it, click Options, select any shortcuts menu which you want to replace. Press any keys on your keyboard. Then scroll down and click Save. You can play with other settings like rewind time, speed change step, etc. For some sites already blacklisted the HTML5 video playback configuration. To solve it, just add these web addresses to the column of blacklisted site. Don't forget to click Save. Finally, everything is done. See you! Don't forget to subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching.